Hi, Year 4. Today you're going to be looking at fractions of a kilogram. We already know that fractions are a part of a whole. So today what we're going to be doing is just using the kilogram as our whole, and we're going to be describing masses using fractions. Okay, so it's really important that we know how to do this because you're going to need to be able to do this in real life as you get older. You may have already been to the shops and heard or been with a grown-up when they've ordered something from the shops, and they might have needed a half a kilo of bananas or a quarter of a kilo of chicken. Okay, so it's really important that you know how many grams that actually is. Okay, so we already know that 1,000 grams, is the same as 1 kilo, and we can use this knowledge to help us represent the weight of an item as a fraction. So if somebody said to you half of a kilo, you can already sort of start working that out in your mind because you know that 1,000 grams is 1 kilo. You know that half of 1,000 is 500. So half a kilo is the same as 500 grams. Now we're just going to do a couple of examples together before you have a go at doing some on your own. But by all means, grab a piece of paper and a pen and you can join in as you feel comfortable. So we already know that 1,000 grams equals the same as 1 kilo. Now it's really handy just to know that and to have that somewhere that you can always refer to. Okay, so I'm going to start with half a kilo. So we already said that half a kilo was 500 grams because we know that 1 kilo is 1,000 grams and half of 1,000 is 500. So it's really important that you use your knowledge of converting between the two to be able to help you do this. Okay, if I was to go now to 1/4 of a kilo, what I would need to do would be to halve this one here. Okay, so if I was to halve 500, I would get 250 grams. So 1/4 of a kilo is the same as 250 grams. Now we can use our knowledge of 1/4 and 1/2 to make 3/4 because we know that 3/4 is just 1/2 plus 1/4, which will give us the same as 3/4. So if I was to add these two together, I would get 750 grams. So if I ask for 3/4 of a kilo or something, I'm meaning 750 grams. So that's how you represent mass as fractions. And I hope that has helped.